Very good afternoon, everyone. Let's start with our regular units. We started discussing about production management and the basics of production management. At the start, we discussed about the various definitions for production management, which is the first part of our subject. And while discussing regarding the production management, we have seen in detail about what is meant by the production and how to apply the principles of management to production, and combinedly then how it will be a production management, right? Basically in this subject there are two different parts. The first part is production management and second part is operation research. Getting okay? So now production management in simply, if I will define in a minute, that to apply management principles. Okay, if you know in a line, if you want to tell about the production management, so it will be application of management principle to trans in the process of transformation of raw material into final product. Okay, so that's a simple and sweet definition. Always try to make the things as simple as possible so that you can understand the things easily. Okay, then second, we started with the scope of PMOR and characteristics of production management and operation research. Okay, scope as such, each and every field you will find the application of this production management, right? Simply production of the products, manufacturing of the products is not a beneficial. Okay, how efficiently you are doing it, see, ultimately revenue generation is the aim. ठीक आहे. कोणती जरी इंडस्ट्री असेल, कोणता जरी प्रोडक्ट असेल, त्याचा सेल जर होत नसेल तर दॅट इज अ युजलेस. ओके, सो अल्टिमेटली द एम इज रेव्हेन्यू जनरेशन. And how it is possible? It is possible by proper application of management principle. Getting revenue generation in the sense it should be profitable. Okay, whatever the total investment is there, by considering time factor also, whatever total investment is there, your returns should be more than that. Getting it? Okay, at the start it may be at the break even, but afterwards it should be more than that. Then only that business or that facility can be continued. Getting it? Okay, so that management principles will help for this. Get right? And then we discussed about plant location, very important part. Okay, and I told you while discussing plant location that this is the major parameter for starting any kind of business, for expansion of current business. That plant location is a very important one, because very simple reason, because it is taking a huge investment. Apart from huge investment, it is a immovable type property. Okay, manpower you can transfer, machine you can transfer, products you can transfer, raw material you can transfer, but your location you cannot transfer. The permanent infrastructure you cannot transfer. Getting it? Okay, so that incurs huge cost. So that plant location is the most important decision while going for any of the setup or startup or entrepreneur. Okay, so that we discuss in detail, and these are the some of the factors which influence selection of plant location. Okay, basically आपण हे सगळे factor study केलेले आहेत, right? Getting it? In exam, if you are not able to recall as per this tree diagram, just you can write down one by one. Okay, आता याच्यामध्ये इन्फ्लुएन्स करणारे फॅक्टर्स कोणते आहेत प्लांट लोकेशन साठी? गव्हर्नमेंट पॉलिसीज. Okay, government policy म्हणजे काय? Simple. What I am telling always, make the things as simple as possible. Okay, for example, first influencing factor is government policy. याला simple कसे करणार? Simple thing. If you check out the taxes, government policy म्हणजे काय? The things which are decided by the government. Taxes, the taxation जे आहे ते म्युनिसिपल एरियामध्ये जे असेल ते डिफरंट असेल, मेट्रो सिटीमध्ये असेल तर डिफरंट असेल. ओके, अंडर विलेज असेल तर ते डिफरंट असेल, MIDC मध्ये असेल डिफरंट असेल. गेटिंग इट? ओके, सो दिस ॲज पर गव्हर्नमेंट पॉलिसी टॅक्सेशन विल बी डिफरंट. ओके, टॅक्सेशन फॉर मे बी लँड, मे बी रिसोर्सेस, एव्हरीथिंग. हे टॅक्सेस काय असणार आहेत? लोकेशन नुसार डिफरंट असणार आहे. सो ॲज पर युअर इन्व्हेस्टमेंट यू कॅन गो फॉर द location selection. ठीक है ना? Okay, if your product is not so much costlier, just you are manufacturing a pen or paper or pencil, okay, which is hardly costing 1 rupees or 2 rupees. In that case, you need not to go for a very metro region. Getting it? Okay. Unnecessarily, it will increase the taxes. Climatic condition, make it simple. Climatic condition, if your product is climate specific, एखादा प्रोडक्ट आहे ज्याला कोल्ड ॲटमॉस्फिअर लागते, ह्युमिड ॲटमॉस्फिअर लागते, हॉट ॲटमॉस्फिअर लागते. ओके, इफ इट इज अ क्लायमेट स्पेसिफिक, इफ प्रोडक्ट ऑर प्रोसेस, प्रोडक्ट असावं असं काही नाही, और प्रोसेस, ओके, then you can consider the climatic situation. Okay, and if it is not climatic based, for example manufacturing of two-wheeler, irrespective of the climatic condition you can set up the factories. और त्याला एक डिफरंट एक्झाम्पल असं जर घ्यायचं म्हणलं, क्लायमॅटिक कंडिशन एक डिफरंट वेने सुद्धा इम्पॅक्ट करू शकते. फॉर एक्झाम्पल, लेट्स टेक एन एक्झाम्पल ऑफ अँड हिमाचल प्रदेश. ओके, नाउ इन हिमाचल प्रदेश you will see very less number of factories. फॉर एक्झाम्पल टू व्हीलर मॅन्युफॅक्चरिंग फॅक्टरीज. ओके, आता टू व्हीलर हा असा प्रोडक्ट आहे की ज्याला क्लायमॅटिक कंडिशन अफेक्ट करत नाही, इरेस्पेक्टिव्ह ऑफ द क्लायमॅटिक कंडिशन. बट हिमाचल प्रदेशची क्लायमॅटिक कंडिशन हाऊ इट इज, very rainy seasons always, most of the time it is a rainy season. Okay, so there is a problem with the roads and transport facilities. So while transporting the product from the Himachal to other areas, there the climatic condition will create a problem. याचे लक्षात. ओके, फक्त प्रोडक्ट साठीच असं नाहीये, प्रोडक्ट ट्रान्सपोर्ट करताना सुद्धा इफ प्रॉब्लेम्स आर गेटिंग जनरेटेड, अगेन इट इज डिफिकल्ट गेटिंग इट. ओके, so that's how climatic condition will impact. Similar way, there are another factors, raw materials supply असेल, ट्रान्सपोर्ट फॅसिलिटी असेल, कस्टमर सेंट्रिक मार्केटला किती क्लोज आहे, याच्यामध्ये पण तुम्ही यू कॅन एक्सप्लेन दिस. इज इट रिलेटेड टू द कस्टमर, म्हणजे डे टू डे नीड मध्ये लागणारा प्रोडक्ट आहे का? फॉर एक्झाम्पल, वी हॅव टेकन एक्झाम्पल ऑफ मिल्क, अ डेली रिक्वायरमेंट, frequently, many times in a day also. So that time, your outlet or your factory should be close to the customer dense area. Getting it? Okay, so that's how. Supply of raw material, then labor and wages, capital investment, external economies. Okay, so these are the factors which are responsible or which will influence the choice of plant location. Okay, so now let's close this topic of plant location and go ahead. We'll go ahead now. Plant layout also we have started. Okay, आता हे step by step, this syllabus is framed step by step. First selection काय असणार आहे? Plant location. Okay, once location is finalized, you have to finalize the layout. Okay, layout meaning काय झाला की structuring. Getting it? Okay, आता why this is important layout? See, once you will set up all the infrastructure, एक वेळेस पूर्ण जे वॉल्स आहेत, वॉल्स कन्स्ट्रक्ट केल्या, रूफ कन्स्ट्रक्ट केला, त्याचे साईड डिसाईड केले, कंपार्टमेंट्स जे आहेत, कंपार्टमेंट्स ते फायनलाइज केले. ओके, प्रत्येक गोष्टीची लोकेशन फायनलाइज केली, वेअर टू एंटर, वेअर टू एक्झिट, स्टोरेज कुठे असणार, रॉ मटेरियल सप्लायर, रॉ मटेरियल स्टॉक कुठे असणार, फायनल प्रोडक्टचा स्टॉक कुठे असणार, यासाठी ह्या सगळ्या गोष्टी जर तुम्ही लेआउटमध्ये एक वेळेस डिसाईड केल्या की दिस थिंग्स ऑल्सो यू कॅनॉट चेंज अगेन अँड अगेन. ओके, गेटिंग इट? ओके, सो दॅट्स वाय like location, similar way as the location is important, layout is also important. कारण लेआउट ही देखील अशी गोष्ट आहे की जी वी कॅनॉट चेंज फ्रिक्वेंटली. once we will finalize, it has to be kept same. Okay, so layout means what? Arrangement of all the things. Simple. All the things means what? Arrangement of machine, arrangement of equipment, arrangement of furniture, arrangement of manpower, arrangement of everything, whatever it may be required. Inventory असेल, toolbox असेल, everything, whatever will be required for to manufacture the product, arrangement of all that things in proper way, that is called as a plant layout. Proper way चा meaning काय झाला? Here we discussed principles of plant layout. Okay, what we discussed? Integration means what? Simple. Main material machine, easy to access. I have shown you the video also. Easy to access म्हणजे काय? समोर तुम्हाला स्पॅनरची गरज आहे, immediately you should get the spanner. Okay, you need suppose nut and bolt, immediately it should be available at your just close to you. Okay, you should not go on searching the things. Okay, that is called as main material machine integration. मिनिमम डिस्टन्स, प्रिन्सिपल ऑफ मिनिमम डिस्टन्स. एव्हरीवन, आता मिनिमम डिस्टन्स म्हणजे काय, जो वर्कर आहे त्याला सुद्धा प्रत्येक वेळेस जास्त डिस्टन्स ट्रॅव्हल करण्याची गरज लागू नये. अँड मटेरियल ऑल्सो शुड नॉट ट्रॅव्हल. गेटिंग इट? ओके. सो मिनिमम ट्रॅव्हल फॉर मॅन अँड मटेरियल. अदरवाईज काय होईल, त्याच्यामध्ये टाइम इन्व्हेस्ट होणार ट्रॅव्हलिंग मध्ये, अँड इट विल अगेन कॉस्ट इन टर्म्स ऑफ मनी. क्युबिक स्पेस युटिलायझेशन, आय टोल्ड यू दिस ऑल्सो. ओके, क्युबिक स्पेस म्हणजे काय, जे हॉरिझॉन्टल स्पेस आहे, फ्लोअर स्पेस, ते पण यूज करताय. व्हर्टिकल स्पेस आहे, वॉलची स्पेस, ते पण यूज करताय. आणि टॉपची स्पेस आहे, ओके, टॉप रूफ space, that also you are utilizing, then it is called as a cubic space utilization. Okay, why? See, you are having limited space, you are having limited area, in that you will have to manage everything. Okay, so that try to utilize each and every space. Principle of flow means what, it should go in a positive direction. Okay, I have shown you the video also. हे जेव्हा तुम्ही टू व्हीलर मॅन्युफॅक्चरिंग कंपनीला वगैरे कधी व्हिजिट करा, टू अँड फ्रो हे मूव्ह होत नाहीत प्रोडक्ट, एका डायरेक्शननी मूव्ह होतात, एक तर राईट टू लेफ्ट, लेफ्ट टू राईट. गेटिंग इट? ओके. मॅक्सिमम फ्लेक्झिबिलिटी, मॅक्सिमम फ्लेक्झिबिलिटी कधी समजा मशीन अल्टर करण्याची गरज पडली, एक मशीन पुढे झाली, एक मशीन पाठीमागे झाली, हे लेआउट चेंज करायचे किंवा टूल बॉक्सचं सेटअप चेंज करायचे. ओके, इफ यू वॉन्ट टू चेंज समथिंग, इट शुड बी इझी टू चेंज. त्या ठिकाणी फ्रिक्शन नाही झालं पाहिजे. दॅट इज कॉल्ड ॲज अ फ्लेक्झिबिलिटी. अँड ऑब्विसली सेफ्टी, सिक्युरिटी, सॅटिस्फॅक्शन. ओके, आय हॅव गिव्हन यू द सिम्पल एक्झाम्पल. स्टीलची मॅन्युफॅक्चरिंग कंपनी आहे, ओके, स्टील, ज्या ठिकाणी कम्प्लिटली फर्नेसची रिक्वायरमेंट असते, फर्नेस, आणि ऑलवेज देर इज अ हिटेड ॲटमॉस्फिअर, हॉट ॲटमॉस्फिअर, गरम ॲटमॉस्फिअर असतं. त्या केसमध्ये समजा इफ सपोज दॅट वर्कर इज नॉट गेटिंग प्रॉपर व्हेंटिलेशन, for example, ACs are not possible, but at least fans, blowers, if these things will not be there, then satisfaction will not be there, and obviously it will impact on the efficiency. Safety, security, okay, first aid box, it should be at the proper place. Then your fire extinguishers, ठीक आहे ना, आग लागल्यानंतर ते शोधत बसण्याची गरज लागली नाही पाहिजे, वेअर इज दॅट फायर एक्सटिंग्विशर. ओके, इट शुड बी ॲट द प्रॉपर प्लेस. Principle of minimum handling, we have seen this, as much as less as possible. Okay, nowadays machines are available, so I will show you that video also. So it is a it requires very less number of people. Okay, so simple. See, nowadays automation is at its peak. Okay, so that there is a problem of job. Getting it? Okay, याच्यानंतर अशी एक वेळ येणार आहे की ऑटोमेशन एवढ्या लेवलला, पीक लेवलला असेल की त्या ठिकाणी फक्त एकाच माणसाला काम भेटणार आहे. ठीक आहे ना, म्हणजे इंजिनियर पण नाही, MBA पण नाही, BBA नाही, आणि कोणीच नाही. ओके, प्रोडक्शन होईल, यू विल गेट द प्रोडक्ट्स विल बी मॅन्युफॅक्चर्ड ऑटोमॅटिकली by the use of machines, but that time only one person will get the job, and that is only security guard. Right, that's how the situations are changing. So make yourself competent enough for the changing environment. Okay, then only you can survive easily. Okay, so these are the some of the principles which are required to consider while making the plant layout. Now they are based on the production process. Product कोणता आहे, प्रोडक्शन प्रोसेस कोणती आहे, त्याच्यावर डिपेंडेंट ह्या प्रोसेस आहेत. प्रोसेस लेआउट, प्रोडक्ट लेआउट, कॉम्बिनेशन लेआउट, फिक्स्ड पोझिशन लेआउट आणि ग्रुप लेआउट. ओके, लेट्स सी वन बाय वन. Process layout. Okay, I have shown you the video also, process layout. Okay, if you can able to recall. At the process layout मध्ये काय, see how it is managed. I'll zoom it, you can easily see this. Okay, don't read the content, just look at this figure. Okay, see it now. Okay, see, प्रोसेस लेआउट मीनिंग काय, ॲज पर द वर्ड त्या सगळ्या गोष्टी तुम्ही रिकॉल करायच्या. प्रोसेस मीन्स काय, ज्या ठिकाणी जी प्रोसेस होती त्या प्रोसेसनुसार गोष्टी सगळ्या अरेंज केलेल्या आहेत. ओके, लुक ॲट दिस. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल व्हॉट, स्टोअर रूम. स्टोअर रूम मधून काय कलेक्ट होईल, रॉ मटेरियल. ओके, then how it is processing, look at here. Immediately here, lathe section. Okay, It is a lathe section. Lathe section means what? This lathe section, lathe machine to me workshop, if you are not, I think you are not using it our workshop. So these lathe machines that manufacturing is done, cutting a cell, finishing a cell, that operations are done on the lathe machine. रॉ मटेरियल इथून आल्यानंतर काय होईल, ह्या लेथ मशीनवर प्रोसेस होईल 5 नंबर. ओके, लेथ नंतर दुसरं ऑपरेशन आहे मिलिंग. आता हे जास्त तुम्ही वर्ड लक्षात घेऊ नका. मिलिंग, ब्रोचिंग, दीज आर ऑल द मेकॅनिकल वर्ड्स. मिनिंग काय फक्त लक्षात घ्या. त्याचं मिनिंग काय झालं की एक ऑपरेशन आहे. ओके, ब्रोचिंग म्हणजे काय, होल करण्यासाठी ऑपरेशन आहे. ऑलरेडी एक होल असतं, त्याचं मोठं होल करणं त्याला ब्रोचिंग म्हणतात. मिलिंग एक सरफेस फिनिशिंग ऑपरेशन आहे. ठीक आहे ना. जस्ट कन्सिडर सिम्पली ॲज अन ऑपरेशन, एक प्रोसेस. पहिल्यांदा काय केलं, लेथवर प्रोसेस केला. सेकंड मिलिंग, देन ब्रोचिंग, ओके, देन शेपर. शेपर म्हणजे शेप देण्यासाठी. नंतर ड्रिलिंग केलं आणि नंतर इथून इन्स्पेक्शन डिपार्टमेंटला, म्हणजे प्रोडक्टचा फ्लो कसा झालाय चेक करा. स्टोर रूम, लेथ, मिलिंग, ब्रोचिंग, शेपर, ड्रिलिंग, इन्स्पेक्शन अँड स्टॉक. 8 नंबरला स्टॉक आहे. ओके, सो सी हाऊ इट इज अरेंज्ड. नाउ व्हॉट इज हॅपनिंग हिअर, क्रिस क्रॉस अरेंजमेंट. तुम्ही प्रोडक्टचा फ्लो लक्षात घेताय का. इथून इथं आला, ठीक आहे, इथपर्यंत 1 to 5 नंबर. नाउ हाऊ इट इज फ्लोईंग फ्रॉम दिस, directly it is crossing 2 departments, inspection and broaching, and directly going to milling. आता हे milling section कुठं पाहिजे, it should be here, it should be here. Okay, so just wait, I will try to manage it. I will show you. Okay, you can understand now easily. Now look at here. Okay, see now what is happening, crisscross travel. Okay, now instead of that I will pick up a proper travel. Okay, how to make a proper one. Store room first. Okay, where should I keep? Okay, here I'll keep store room first. What is second operation, lathe operation. Take it second, immediately it will move to the second. Okay, what is third operation, milling operation. Take it next, it will move to the next one. Okay, what is third, shaper operation, move to this. Okay, what is next, drilling operation, it will be next. What is next, drilling, broaching, next one. What is next, inspection. And what is next, stock room. Okay, now see how simple it is. Look at the flow. See, store room, lathe section, milling section. Okay, again shaper section, drilling section, broaching section, inspection department and stock room. Is there any complexity? Simple. This is, and this is how it is moving easily. Simple thing. Okay, one horizontal and another this way. Okay, simple thing, getting it. Okay, that's how it is called as a process layout. Process म्हणजे काय, एक प्रोसेस म्हणजे जसं प्रोसेस लागणार आहे. पहिल्यांदा कोणती रिक्वायरमेंट आहे, लेथ सेक्शन फर्स्ट, दिस विल बी. व्हॉट इज सेकंड प्रोसेस, मिलिंग, सेकंड प्रोसेस इमिडिएटली. थर्ड प्रोसेस शेपर इमिडिएटली. फोर्थ प्रोसेस ड्रिलिंग इमिडिएटली. नेक्स्ट ब्रोचिंग इमिडिएटली. ओके, इन्स्पेक्शन इमिडिएटली. ओके, so it is called as a proper sequence. This is called as a proper sequence. Okay, आता सिक्वेन्स कसा केलेला आहे हा, ऍज पर द प्रोसेस. जी प्रोसेस होणार आहे त्याच्यानुसार ते सिक्वेन्स केलेले आहे सिरियली. ओके, दॅट इज कॉल्ड एज अ प्रोसेस लेआउट. व्हॉट द थिंग. ओके, सो प्रोसेस लेआउट simply means arrangement of all facilities, arrangement of all facilities as per the process, as per the process. Okay, it is also known as line layout. the flow of product will be smooth and logical when machines and auxiliary services are located according to processing sequence. Okay, just read this sentence carefully. When machines and auxiliary services are located according to the processing sequence. Okay, according to the processing sequence, that is called as a process layout. Okay, it implies that various operations on raw material are performed in a sequence. ओके, सो आता तुम्हाला जसं दाखवलं मी, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल काय स्टॉक रूम मधून रॉ मटेरियल येईल, त्याच्यानंतर प्रोसेस 1, प्रोसेस 2, प्रोसेस 3, प्रोसेस 4 अँड इन्व्हेंटरी. ओके, येस. एक्झाम्पल, फर्निचर मॅन्युफॅक्चरर कंपनी. ओके, आता फर्निचर मॅन्युफॅक्चर कंपनी और सिम्पली थोडंसं हे अवघड डिफिकल्ट आहे. रेस्टॉरंट घ्या. रेस्टॉरंटमध्ये कसं असेल चेक केलं, रेस्टॉरंटमध्ये raw material section, in that restaurant, raw material section where vegetables will be kept, vegetables or cooking oil, etc. So first of all that section. Second section काय असतो, frying. ओके, एक तुमचं फ्राईंग पॅन, गॅस और स्टोव. सेकंड सेक्शन ओनली फ्राईंग पॅन, गॅस अँड स्टोव. ठीक आहे ना, तिथं फ्राईंग केलं जातं. थर्ड सेक्शन काय असतो, व्हॉट वी कॅन कॉल, नॉट इन्स्पेक्शन इज नॉट देअर, मेकिंग इट ब्युटिफुल. ओके, त्याच्यावर समजा सपोज फॉर एक्झाम्पल मे बी ॲडिशनली ॲडिंग सम अनदर फ्लेवर्स एटसेट्रा अँड देन सर्विंग. तुम्ही कधी रेस्टॉरंटमध्ये चेक केलंय, पाठीमागे बॅक साईडला जे किचन असते तिथे चेक करा, हाऊ इट इज फ्लोईंग नाईसली. रॉ मटेरियल सेक्शन एका ठिकाणी, फ्राईंग सेक्शन एका ठिकाणी, त्याच्यानंतर सर्विंग सेक्शन एका ठिकाणी, अँड देन फ्रॉम सर्विंग टू कस्टमर. ओके, दॅट इज कॉल्ड एज अ प्रोसेस लेआउट. ओके, ॲज पर द प्रोसेस इट इज managed accordingly. Okay, so this is simple example is a restaurant. Now the next one is a product layout. See, product layout is very very simple. Now in a product layout, I will show you if you have forgotten the things. Just a minute, I will show it to you. You will immediately understand what is the meaning of product layout. Just a minute, hold. Okay, I will show it to you now. You will understand it nicely. Okay, check here. Okay, without reading what is the meaning of product layout, you will understand it easily. Okay, this is two-wheeler manufacturing. This is a engine manufacturing of two-wheeler. Okay, now see what is happening. This is the product. Engine is the product. Now check whether machines are moving or product is moving. In a product layout, you can check whether machine is moving or look here. Simply see, machines are at their place. This product is moving on the line. Product is moving on the line. See, machines are at their place. Product is moving on the machine. Right. So Simple, what I want to say, this is how what is happening in the product layout. See, look at the bottom. Machines are kept as per the need of product. Simple meaning, machines are kept as per the need of product. What is the meaning? First of all, look here, if you are able to see it. First operation turning, second operation milling, third operation drilling, fourth assembly, inspection, packaging. Okay, so this what will happen, this product will move along this line. It's called as an assembly line. This product will move along this line. Simple example, I will give two-wheeler manufacturing. Okay, machines are not moving, product will move along the machine line. Okay, so and these machines are adjusted as per the need of product. Okay, fixed setup, that is called as a product layout. Okay, so here it is. Line layout कशामुळे म्हणता याला, once if you can check it here, this is the continuous line. This is a continuous line along which product will move, so that it is called as a line layout. The flow of product is smooth, located according to the processing sequence. Raw material are performed in a sequence. See, the product layout is selected when volume of production of product is very high. Okay, see, in case of product process layout, we have taken the example of restaurant where volume of production is less. Product's volume तुम्ही चेक केलं तर लेस आहे, बट टू व्हीलर मॅन्युफॅक्चरिंगच्या केस मध्ये कन्सिडर करा, there is a so huge volume of production. For example, assembly of television sets or computer keyboard. Okay, so when there is a huge production, this setup is preferred. ठीक आहे, फिक्स्ड सेटअप आहे. ओके, अँड देअर शुड बी युनिक प्रोडक्ट. तर रेस्टॉरंट मध्ये काय होते, रेस्टॉरंट मध्ये एक गोष्ट लक्षात घ्या, रेस्टॉरंट मध्ये प्रोडक्टची व्हॉल्यूम कमी आहे. ओके, बट प्रोडक्टची व्हरायटी जास्त आहे. गेटिंग इट? In case of restaurant, what is happening? You want vada pav also, you want bhaji also, you want so many things. Okay, in a one restaurant you will get all these things, and on the same frying pan he is making it. एकच गॅस स्टोव असतो, त्याच्यावर सगळं हे प्रिपेअर होतं. ओके, अँड ही इज गेटिंग डिफरंट ऑर्डर्स ॲट अ टाइम. लक्षात येत आहे? ओके, so that it is called as a process layout. In a product layout, product will not change. रेस्टॉरंटच्या केसमध्ये काय होते, प्रोडक्ट कंटिन्युअसली व्हॅरी होते आणि व्हॉल्यूम ऑफ प्रोडक्शन पण कमी आहे. प्रोडक्ट लेआउट मध्ये काय, प्रोडक्ट विल नॉट चेंज. टू व्हीलरचे एक वेळेस सिस्टम डिफाईन झाल्यानंतर ते चेंज होणार नाही. ओके, सो व्हॉल्यूम इज मोर अँड व्हरायटी इज लेस इन केस ऑफ प्रोडक्ट लेआउट. सो दॅट इट इज कॉल्ड एज अ लाईन लेआउट, फिक्स्ड लेआउट. नेक्स्ट इज कॉम्बिनेशन. ओके, आता समटाइम्स काय होत आहे की व्हरायटी पण जास्त आहे आणि व्हॉल्यूम पण जास्त आहे. एक गोष्ट लक्षात घ्या, हे व्हॅरिएशन क्लासिफिकेशन कोणत्या बेसिसवर झालंय, टाइप ऑफ व्हरायटी अँड व्हॉल्यूम. ओके, प्रोसेस लेआउट मध्ये व्हरायटी जास्त आहे, व्हॉल्यूम कमी. प्रोडक्ट लेआउट मध्ये नो व्हरायटी और लेस व्हरायटी बट व्हॉल्यूम इज हाय. कॉम्बिनेशन लेआउट मध्ये द प्रोडक्ट्स वेअर वी नीड गुड व्हॉल्यूम ऑल्सो अँड गुड व्हरायटी ऑल्सो. आता या केसमध्ये काय होते, दोन्ही गोष्टी फॉलो केल्या जातात. कॉम्बिनेशन म्हणजे काय? ओके, जस्ट चेक दिस फिगर, यू विल अंडरस्टँड इट. प्रोडक्ट लेआउट ऑल्सो अँड प्रोसेस लेआउट ऑल्सो. सी, दिस वे इट इज अ प्रोसेस लेआउट अँड हॉरिझॉन्टली इट इज अ प्रोडक्ट लेआउट. ओके, मशीन्स अरेंज कशा केल्या जात आहेत, प्रोसेसनुसार आणि सिक्वेन्स काय, प्रोडक्टनुसार. गेटिंग इट? ओके, हिअर इज अ स्टॉक रूम ॲज द स्टार्ट अँड हिअर इज अ स्टोअर रूम. Okay, store room and stock room. So from this raw material will come to this location, it will be processed on this machine and it will be having the finished product. Okay, so combination layout is combination of product plus process. Product plus process. Look at here, what is given, combination of process and product layout is called as a combination layout. See, here machines are arranged in a process layout. Machines कशा अरेंज केल्या असतील, जशी प्रोसेसची रिक्वायरमेंट आहे. अँड ग्रुपिंग इज डन ॲज पर दी प्रोडक्ट लेआउट. ओके, ग्रुपिंग इज डन ॲज पर दी प्रोडक्ट लेआउट. ओके, सिंपल थिंग, व्हेरिएशन इज ऑल्सो मोर अँड प्रोडक्शन इज ऑल्सो मोर. दॅट टाइम इट विल बी अ ग्रुप प्रोडक्शन. सेम केस, continuous कॉम्बिनेशन लेआउट अँड ग्रुप लेआउट पॅरलल, ओनली सम स्मॉल डिफरन्स. याच्यामध्ये डिफरन्स काय की प्रोसेसचं जे कॉम्बिनेशन आहे, फॉर एक्झाम्पल देर विल बी कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ नंबर ऑफ प्रोसेसेस. आता इथे बघा, जस्ट चेक हिअर, they have made a group of boring, fitting, turning, welding. Okay, so all these processes will be done in this room. You can consider this as a room. Okay, all these 4 processes will be done in this room, and in this room there are 4 machines: boring, fitting, turning, welding. All the processes will be done in this room. Second room: milling, drilling, grinding, shaping, welding, slotting. All these processes will be done in the second room. या ठिकाणी काय करतायत, मशीन्स ग्रुपमध्ये अरेंज केलेले असतात. ओके, ॲट अ वन प्लेस. म्हणजे कोणत्या प्रोडक्टला फक्त बोरिंगच पाहिजे असेल. ओके, जस्ट लुक ॲट हिअर इन द सेकंड रूम. इफ सपोज एनी प्रोडक्ट रिक्वायर्स ओनली बोरिंग, नो प्रॉब्लेम, ओनली बोरिंग इज डन, and in the second slot it will go to the next one. Okay, some product require only welding and turning, so it will be done in this welding and turning, and it will go to the next shop. Okay, some product will require boring, fitting, welding, turning, all 4 process, it will be done. Okay, so what I am telling, the machines are grouped together and product will flow as per the requirement. प्रत्येकच प्रोडक्टला याच्यामध्ये काय होईल, प्रत्येक मशीन लागेल अशी, that will be not guaranteed. Okay, so anything can be possible. What is there? It is the combination of both process and product layout. Same one. In this type of layout, set of machines or equipments are grouped together. The most important. Okay, it is grouped together. Getting right? आता हे ग्रुपिंग केल्यामुळे काय झालं, see, it minimizes some of cost of transport and cost of equipment. What is happening? Look here. If I will make group here, suppose one product is require only boring and another is require fitting. So what I will do, I can bring both the products at a time and can do the operation. Getting it? Okay, so machine will not remain idle. So ultimately the cost is going to reduce down. And last, simple one, fixed position layout. Example lakshat gya, you will understand easily. Okay, I have shown you the example also. Where it is, this is simple, just consider this as aeroplane. Okay, doesn't look like that aeroplane, but you can consider. Okay, so this is a aeroplane. Okay, आता एरोप्लेन मॅन्युफॅक्चरिंग मध्ये काय होत आहे, प्रोडक्टची साईज बघा, चेक द साईज ऑफ द प्रोडक्ट. एरोप्लेन असेल किंवा फॉर एक्झाम्पल शिप मॅन्युफॅक्चरिंग or aeroplane manufacturing, size of the product is very very large. Okay, so can we manufacture that product on the machine? Not possible. We cannot at all manufacture product on the machine. Getting it? Okay, so because of large size of product, you cannot move the product on the machine. त्या केसमध्ये काय करावं लागेल, प्रोडक्ट एकाच ठिकाणी राहील, मशीन्स विल मूव्ह अराउंड इट. कलरिंग करायचे तर प्रोडक्ट तुम्ही यू कॅनॉट मूव्ह इट लेफ्ट राईट और अप अँड डाऊन, यू हॅव टू मूव्ह द मशीन. Okay, coloring, if you want to make the coloring to the aeroplane, what you will do, can you able to move it right, left, up and down? No, you will move the machine below it, above it, right of it, left of it. Okay, so machines will be moved along the product. Position is fixed, product position is fixed because of huge size. This is called as a fixed layout, where machines are moving, product is fixed. It is called as a static product layout, in which फिजिकल कॅरेक्टरिस्टिक ऑफ द प्रोडक्ट डिक्टेट. याचा मिनिंग काय झाला, फिजिकल कॅरेक्टरिस्टिक्स म्हणजे साईज ऑफ द प्रोडक्ट डिक्टेट. दिस टाइप लेआउट इज इनहरंट इन शिप बिल्डिंग, एअरक्राफ्ट मॅन्युफॅक्चरिंग, बिग प्रेशर व्हेसल्स. ओके, टर्बाईन वगैरे कधी चेक केला असेल तुम्ही, लार्ज टर्बाईन्स, यू कॅनॉट मॅन्युफॅक्चर इट ऑन अ मशीन शुड मूव्ह ऑन इट. In other type of layout, the product moves past stationary production equipment. लक्षात घ्या हे लाईन. In other type of layout, product moves past equipment. म्हणजे काय, दुसऱ्या लेआउट मध्ये काय होतंय, मशीन्सवर प्रोडक्ट मूव्ह होत आहेत. या केसमध्ये काय होतंय, मेन अँड इक्विपमेंट्स आर मूव्ड टू द मटेरियल अँड प्रोडक्ट इज completed at one place. Getting? That is called as a fixed position layout. Okay, simple. So there are basically five types are there. You can consider this as a four types also, because combination and group layout, sometimes it is called one only. So process layout as per process, product layout as per product, combination layout, combination of both process and product, and fixed position layout when there is a large size of product. Getting it? Okay. So there are these five types of layouts. Okay, five types of layout: process layout, product layout, combination layout, and group layout, and last is a fixed position layout, right? So now hereafter the next point is very simple, similar. Production system layout just similar आहे. Okay, so we'll take that also. Production system. Okay, now product. I think I lost my connectivity. Just a minute. Don't leave the session. Just a minute. Okay, just hold on for a minute. I'll connect it with another device. Yes. So basically this content is like once you will understand the meaning of words, there is also simple to understand the things. Just a minute, I'll just transfer the things and we'll start once again. Okay, so hope you are getting my screen. If you will not get my screen in between, just let me know. Okay, if voice or screen is not visible, let me know. Okay, I think connectivity is also restored. I'll stop sharing. That's great. Okay, so wait a minute. It's right. Okay. So what I was telling, basically depend on the product. Okay, I was giving the example of restaurant and a hotel. Okay, in the hotel or restaurant, what you are finding, volume of production is less, but variety is more. And take the example of automobile manufacturing company. Is there any variety? See, variety is obviously there, so many types of automobiles, but see, for a different automobile there is a different unit. Okay, it will not happen that all the kinds of variety will manufacture at one place. Okay, obviously at the different places, but check the volume of production. Okay, if automobile, if it is a four-wheeler manufacturing company, daily they are manufacturing 2000, 3000, 5000 four-wheelers. Okay, so variety is less, volume is more. In some cases variety is also more, volume is also more. Okay, so for that purpose this production system is differentiated into four categories, right? So these are the four categories: batch production, job shop production, mass production. हे थोडेसे वर्ड्स तुम्ही कुठेतरी लिसन पण केले असणार. Mass production, continuous production. Getting it? Okay. Job production, mass production, batch production, and continuous production. Okay. So it is mentioned here nicely. Look at here. At the horizontal axis, I'll once again zoom it. At the horizontal axis, there is a variety, and at the vertical axis there is a volume. Okay, now check. First is a job shop production. Okay, last block, job shop production. Variety is more, huge variety, and volume less. Batch production, quite less variety, more volume. Mass production, more volume, very less variety. And continuous production, huge production, but no or negligible variety. Getting it? Okay, so that's how this is moving. Now look at here. I'll show you and you will understand it easily. Wait a minute, I have it. Okay, look at here. Job shop production. What is happening actually here? Okay, look at the things carefully. They are doing one process at one place, another process at another place. This is what furniture manufacturing unit. Okay, okay. आता या ठिकाणी चेक करा. Are you observing anywhere at this location that so many machines are arranged in a line? भरपूर अशा machines आहेत, line arrange केला आहे, product त्यावर move होत आहे. No. See, he is checking now. This person is doing some different process. Another person is doing some different process. So what is happening? Look at here variety. This is a different product. This is a different product. हे chair different आहे. इथं furniture हे different आहे. So are you checking the variety of product? There is a huge variety of product. And volume, less number of chairs. Okay, see, you can demand here a different size of chair, you can demand here different size of cupboard. Okay, so this is customer centric. See, it is done mostly manually, very less number of machines are used. This is also furniture manufacturing. Getting, they are doing it mostly manually. Okay, see, like this is a manufacturing of sofa. Like, as per the customer demand, the size will vary. Someone will ask for a small size, someone will ask for a large size, someone will ask for this different color. Are you getting? But can you do the same with the huge production? Can you ask Maruti Suzuki to that you want only white and black color combination? No, you cannot go for that. So this happens in only job production. See, the things are doing mostly manually, right? So this is a job shop production where variety is more. See, now this is a bed, someone can ask for large size. Okay, so this is a customized products. In a simple language, if I want to tell, these are the customized product. Okay, see, job shop production characterized by make to order strategy. As a meaning काय झाला? Make to order, give the order, they will manufacture. It is called as make to order. Okay, there are three possible situations of production quantity. Product is manufactured only once. Okay, not all the cases. Small quantities of product are repeated. Demand not certain, because as per the order they will manufacture. Small quantities of product are repeated. In job shop production, end product is most of the time as per the customer need. Furniture manufacturing, restaurant, as per the need. Okay, I think some more points are also there. Look here, machines and resources must be of general purpose and flexible. Okay, आता तुम्ही जे दोन व्हिडिओ चेक केले, have you seen there any high profile large size machine? A simple machine, stitching machine, stepping machine. Okay, so in job shop production, simple तुम्ही एखाद्या फर्निचर शॉपला विजिट करा. Okay, you will not see any large size or advanced machine. Simple things they are using. Highly skilled workforce is needed. येते लक्षात. ओके, जॉब शॉप प्रोडक्शन मध्ये काय, you are using a simple machines. If machine is a simple, skilled labor should be there. Okay, एक गोष्ट लक्षात येते, ज्या ठिकाणी where the machines are working by their own, you need not to go for skilled labor. But where person has to work, okay, where person has to work, their labor should be a skilled one. In process inventory is high. याचं मिनिंग काय झाला की वेस्टेज ऑफ द मटेरियल इज मोर. कधी इफ यू चेक द फर्निचर मॅन्युफॅक्चरिंग शॉप, check their wastage of wood, you will see so much of material is wasted. Okay, machines are grouped as per the functional capability. System is flexible. Planning and control is difficult. See, everything is done manually, so these things are going to be there. So a simple job shop production, less investment, customer demanded products, high skilled workers are required, less investment. Okay, when there are less number of production, you can go for job shop production, but their variety is going to be more, right? Second is batch production. Okay, batch production मध्ये काय केस होते, थोडीशी व्हरायटी कमी but volume slightly more. Okay, example, bakery shop. What is happening? Variety is less. Obviously variety is there, but variety is less. Okay, customer demanded products are quite less. Getting? Okay, so you will say that, sir, can we can order simply cakes as per the need. Okay, as per the flavor, but that is also a simple normal variety. Okay, so variation is less and volume is more. Okay, so see, here it is properly given. Batch production, quite less variety, quite more volume. See, I have it's, look at here. Okay, this is the batch production. Okay, what they are doing, so mostly bakery products will come under. Check out, so many were sorry, quite less number of varieties are there. These are different types of breads. Okay, but see the volume is increasing. So this is a bakery product manufacturing unit. Look at the automation. You will see a very less interference of any manpower. Look at the volume. Look at the quantity. The quantity is quite more. Look at the quantity. It is increased. Okay, so less number of variety and good number of quantity, that will come under the batch production. Variety of products having varying volume. Here, limited product variety which is fixed for one batch of product. Okay. Now, if you want to purchase a bread, you cannot go for the size as you require. Okay. Hardly there are 2-3 varieties of the breads are there. A large size and small size breads. Okay. Or the shapes are also sometimes getting different. So you cannot order the bread as per your need, that I want triangular shape bread, I want cylindrical shape bread, getting it. Okay. They are having the variety. Okay. They are having the variety, but it is a very less. It is very less. Medicine shop. Volume is good. Variety is also sufficient. Within a wide range of products in the facilities, several are demanded repeatedly in a large volume. This type of production system should be preferred when there is a wide variety of products in wide variety of volume. Okay. Next, assembly line production. Simple. I will show you and you will understand. Okay. Look at here. Okay. Assembly line production. I am repeating the name assembly line. Mostly nowadays automation you will see at the locations. Where is that? See, still you have not seen any of the labor there. Getting it. Okay. So see, this is the assembly line. Is it a moving? Okay. You will see so many number of products are stayed on the line, and here is the assembly line. Okay. Look here. It is there. Okay. So see, it is moving in this direction. This is called as assembly line. So product is moving on the line and the processes are done on that product. Okay. Now another will come. Look how it is kept in a sequence. Getting it. Okay. This is how it is moving and the things are done on this. Are you observing? Look at this. Okay. This is called as the assembly line. Okay. Processes are made on this moving chain. Right. Okay. So this is called as a assembly line production, where the things are moving. Getting okay. So this is the assembly line production. Process technology suitable for narrow range of standardized product. Okay, as a meaning लक्षात घ्या. Narrow range of standardized product means variety is going to be negligible and volume is high volume. Okay, two-wheeler manufacturing, four-wheeler manufacturing, cold drink factory. Okay, wherever there is a huge production and less number of variation, it is called as a assembly line production. Successive units of output undergo same sequence of operation. Okay, sequence of operation will be same. Okay, now you have seen that product variety is fixed here. Okay, you cannot ask for customize your product. And the last one, continuous production. Okay, continuous आणि assembly line जवळपास सेम आहे, बट ओनली थिंग इज दॅट इथं थोडंफार व्हरायटी असेल एखाद दुसरी असेंब्ली लाईन मध्ये, बट कंटिन्युअस प्रोडक्शन नो व्हरायटी अँड ह्यूज प्रोडक्शन. Okay, continuous and huge production. The meaning is the continuous production. See, whenever there is a continuous line, you cannot go for variation. A process technology suitable for production continuous flow of products. Product is highly standardized. As a meaning काय झाला, no any variation. Material and products are produced in a continuous endless flow in batches. High volume around the clock operation. Okay, cement production, steel smelting, for example, where it is. Okay, steel industry, look at here. Around the clock operation, no any variation, standardized products, continuous production. Now these threads, standard dimensions. Okay, this is the lathe machine. Just now I took the name of the set. Look at the time required for production. It's too fast. You cannot go for the variation. Large here. Look at this, how fast they are producing. Truly standardized. Mostly the human interface is very less in case of assembly line and continuous production. Getting okay, that's how it is called as continuous production. Okay, so batch shop, job shop, assembly line, and continuous. Look manually also how fast he is doing it. Look at the wastage, very less wastage. Sometimes preferred for bakery products, but if it is in a large volume. Okay, so that's what for today. Thank you so much, and let me close this. So you can put up your roll numbers in the chat box and you can log out. Thank you so much for joining. We'll see you once again tomorrow.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay, thank you so much.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, welcome.